Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, I'll teach you how to make this stunning 4-tiered heart-shaped serving dish / jewelry holder. As you'll see, all 4 hearts have different designs, and I actually came up with those designs while filming this video. I created this dish with Valentine's Day in mind, of course, but you could definitely use this all year round. I think it'll be a beautiful candy dish for a wedding or an anniversary celebration. Here I have it displayed with some candy that I picked up at my local Family Dollar right at my entryway, so you can just come in and grab a piece of candy if you like. But if you're having a party or some type of celebration, you can definitely kick it up a notch by adding some chocolate covered strawberries to each dish. You can also add a base to your serving dish simply by taking one of the margarita glasses from Dollar Tree, decorating it, and gluing it to the bottom. And for those of you who's been asking about my grandson Aiden, he's doing very well. He'll be 4 weeks on Saturday, and as you can see, he's gotten bigger. Time is definitely flying. And I forgot to mention in my last upload that my daughter actually has the labor and delivery of Aiden on her channel. And I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go over and show her some love, keep up with baby Aiden and Eden as well. Now with that said, on to the DIY. There will be a complete list of the items that I use in the description down below. First thing I'll do is remove the stickers and clean each one of my hearts. After you clean your bowls, what you want to do is go ahead and decorate the outside of your bowls. And I'm going to do each bowl differently. So for my first bowl, I'm going to use this pink diamond wrap. I'm also using this silver bling wrap from TotallyDazzled.com. I've already cut and measured 2 pieces with 3 rows on each piece. What you do is just measure the bling wrap around the outside of your heart and just go a couple of lines over and then cut. This is to make sure that you have enough. Starting out, I'll take my first strip of the silver bling wrap and glue it around the very top of my heart. I'll be using my hot glue gun to glue it on, but feel free to use whatever glue you like. This is what the heart looks like after adding 1 row of bling. Now I'll go ahead and add my pink bling. There's actually 5 rows of bling on this strip. Now add the 3rd row of bling at the bottom of the heart. After you're done, your heart should look like this. I decided I wanted to add a little more glam to it, so I added some rhinestones. I also wanted to share with you guys this quick little hack. If you're having trouble picking up your rhinestones, just use a wax candlestick. Started out by hot gluing a rhinestone to the very front of the heart. Make sure to add enough glue to fill in the gap so that your rhinestone will stay in place. Continue to add rhinestones to your liking. Now I'm going to fill in the spaces between the larger stones with some of the smaller rhinestones. Then I'll move on to the next heart. I'm going to decorate all 4 hearts differently. We're going to be using some more of the pink diamond wrap. Then I have 1 strip, 1 row of the silver, and then I have some mirror towel as well. So let's get started. I'm going to start out by gluing the 1 row of silver bling at the very top. Now I'll add 2 rows of the pink bling. Remember, you do not have to do the exact same design that I'm doing or colors. Choose your own style if you want. Now I'm going to add the mirror towel, and there's 4 rows of mirror towels on each strip. It has adhesive on the back, so all you need to do is cut it and put it in place. I'll add the remaining pink and silver bling wrap to complete the look. I've completed my second heart design, and I ended up adding 2 rows of silver bling at the very bottom. But yeah, I really love how it looks. So now on to the third heart. Starting out on number 3, I'm going to add 2 rows of the pink bling wrap at the very top, and then I'll add some at the bottom of this heart. Now I'm going to take more of the mirror bling and measure it against here, and then just tear it so it's like right there. I think it's like 7 rows. Now I'll add more strips of mirror around the heart. Like that. This is what it looks like with all the mirror towels in place. So because of these edges being sharp, I'm going to put some bling on the side of these, and I'm going to put a strip of bling in the front like this. And here's what the completed third heart looks like. Moving right along to my fourth and final heart, I'm going to take 2 rows of the silver bling wrap and apply it at the top and the bottom of the heart. I decided to add the pink bling at an angle, and as you can see, I used all 5 rows. I'll continue to add more strips of the pink bling around the heart. Come back and let you see what it looks like. As you can see, I also added some rhinestones between each strip of the pink bling. Okay guys, so let's build our dish. The first thing I'm going to do is clean the inside of my heart again. Then I'm going to make sure that the top part of my candle holder is clean as well. I'm going to glue the candle holder upside down to the back part of the heart. I'm doing it this way because it'll give you more room for your candy or whatever you want to add to the front part of the heart. I'm going to apply this Gorilla Glue along with some hot glue for an immediate hold. Once it's glued on, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now what you want to do, wait about 12 hours before you add your second heart. Do not do it immediately like I did. Like I said, this is the first time that I did this, and I thought the glue was secure, but it was not. So again, wait at least 12 hours before you add each heart. After you add the heart, you can immediately add the next candle holder, but wait 12 hours before you add the next set. And also, it's mandatory to use a strong adhesive or some type of 2-part epoxy. Do not use Dollar Tree's Fix-All. It will not hold. And do not use hot glue alone. I'm going to continue to let you see how I put the piece together, but in the end, I ended up taking it all apart, cleaning the pieces with some rubbing alcohol, and then re-gluing them back together. And I'm okay with that because I like the way I arranged them the second time around, and now I have one solid piece because I did take the time to let each set of the heart and candle holder dry before adding the next set. Make sure to hold the piece in place until the hot glue sets up. Add additional hot glue around the base of the candle holder if you need to. And again, you do not have to copy mine exactly. Like I said before, I'm putting the candle holder to the back. If you want to put it directly in the center, you can. A reminder, this is not my finished piece because I did take it apart and glue it back together, but I am going to show you my finished piece right now. And as you've already seen at the beginning of the video, this is my finished piece, and it turned out even better than I imagined. Also, if you're curious about the candle holders in this DIY, you can find them on my second channel that I renamed Fast and Easy Crafts. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll be uploading more frequently on that channel, and I'll also be hosting giveaways, and I'm going to host one on my next upload, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out. One other thing, guys, I would like your input. Should I permanently glue the base to the bottom of this tray? Also comment if you plan to make this or not. Alright everyone, this concludes my DIY, and if you liked it, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe now. It's absolutely free. Oh, and if you made it to the end of the video, make sure to leave a smiley face. Thanks so much for watching.